Were you aware of the Comprehensive Firearms and Ammunition Regulation Act before reading the above information?
Actually, I just nalalaman ko lang siya after I read the above information. I don't know anything about guns.
Okay. Do you support this bill?
Yes, because yun nga, may mga safety rules siya and regulations. So, it could like protect the people if you have like a gun from criminals.
Do you think this will benefit legal gun owners?
Because of today, like Noy, parang gumagamit siya ng mga guns. Pero during firearms, during parang using as a sport. Pero as yun sa Philippines, mataas ang criminal rates. So, meron parang rule na what do you call this? Ayaw niyang parang gusto implement yun na gun ban for all. Pero for me, mas gusto kong parang may gun if ever just for you to be safe.
Do you think this bill has the capacity of completely eradicating gun abuse in cases of death caused by wrong gun usage?
Increase that if you have a gun like that.
Yeah, like, do you think it will help eradicate gun abuse?
Parang kasi yun parang dalawang side siya, if ever. If maraming may guns, pag marami rin criminals, it's, if ever naman, pag walang gumagamit ng gun, walang pwedeng, if ever meron kang good intentions about using that gun, hindi mo siya magagamit to protect yourself.
Good. Thank you.